Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to connect your EC2 or Linux instance uh, with Visual Studio Code, and for that you would need one extension. Just for to install that extension, just go to the extensions and just search remote SSH. You would find this remote SSH. As you can see, there are a lot of people are using. Just install it, and once you install, you would get this green button at the bottom left. Just click on it. So you would get the option. You would get the option to connect the host. Just go to your EC2 instance and select your public IP and click on this. So once you click the connect to host, you would get this option, add new host and SSH root and your IP. Just hit enter, and it would give you to select the configuration file. Just hit enter and connect. Once you connect, it would ask this, what is the operating system, and then it may ask for the fingerprint. Yeah, it is asking for fingerprint. Just select continue. It may take minutes or half. Just provide the password. I have set a simple password for that. So now it is connected with my instance. To s- to go or to see the file structure of that, just click on this item and open folder. So the file structure is here. Just click, hit OK. It would prompt for password again, and it would open a new window for that. I have provided password, and I will have to check this. Yes, I trust the authors. So now the instance is open in Visual Studio Code. Just go to the terminal or just right click on it and open integrated terminal. So here the terminal is. Thank you.